China has introduced a cutting-edge short-range air defense platform crafted to tackle the rising danger from unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Known as the WS-3 or SWS-3 depending on reports, this system marks a leap forward in mobile, rapid-response air defense designed specifically to intercept low-flying threats such as drones, cruise missiles, and precision-guided weapons. With drone warfare becoming a dominant factor in modern asymmetrical conflicts, Beijing is prioritizing fast, effective protection for frontline units, critical infrastructure, and strategic military assets against sudden, low-cost aerial incursions. The SWS-3 integrates dual 35mm autocannons with missile launchers on a wheeled armor chassis, either 6x6 or 4x4, granting it excellent maneuverability across challenging terrains. This fusion of weaponry offers multi-layered defense, enabling it to engage both isolated targets and large-scale drone swarms attempting to saturate defenses simultaneously. Equipped with a modular radar system alongside advanced electro-optical targeting sensors, the SWS-3 boasts high-precision target acquisition and tracking capabilities. It can function independently or as a component within a coordinated air defense network, facilitating quick, synchronized counterattacks. Such integration broadens operational coverage and heightens system responsiveness. The system employs a 1+1 firing strategy, where missiles and cannons engage the same target simultaneously to maximize hit probability. This tactic is particularly effective against complex, multi-velocity threats encountered during drone swarm saturation attacks. Additionally, the system is engineered to remain functional even in contested electronic warfare environments, thanks to its modular design and redundant targeting systems. Analysts note that the SWS-3's design is influenced by global counterparts like Russia's Panzer S-1, Germany's Mantis, and the U.S. Army's M-SHORAD. However, it includes tailored adaptations reflecting China's unique operational demands, especially its focus on swiftly neutralizing small, agile drones increasingly prevalent in contemporary conflicts. This signals China's push towards self-reliant short-range air defense capabilities while aligning with international technology trends. Overall, the WS-3/SWS-3 stands as a pivotal advancement in China's ground-based air defense modernization. By combining high mobility, layered armament, network interoperability, and flexible engagement strategies, it addresses a vital tactical gap amid the growing threat of drone warfare, reinforcing its critical role in China's evolving military doctrine.